Let's review how to use the video volume accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Scroll down and click on the video volume accordion title bar to access this resource. This tool lets you adjust the video sound directly in your browser. Upload a file from your computer or connected storage like Box, Clio, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive, then click the picker button to choose your footage. You can preview instantly the video length and timing. Use the preview controls to play, pause, and scrub through the video so you can pinpoint where audio needs improvement. Adjust the volume using the slider. You can lower the sound completely or increase it significantly to improve clarity for quiet speakers, background noise, or distant recordings. When the audio sounds right, click the Change Volume icon to apply the changes. Download the updated video in multiple formats, then share it by email, web link, or feedback. This tool is built for evidence review, client recordings, depositions, and professional video prep. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's video volume accordion.